Woman with long hair in my husband's lap. Years ago, my husband and I went with my parents to a small theater performance. The seating was tight for tall people, but we managed. The issue? The woman in front of my very tall husband had thigh-length hair, which she draped over her seat and into his lap. Thinking it was unintentional, he politely asked her to move it. She refused, so he gently plopped it onto the floor beside him. Big mistake. She stood up and made a scene, loudly complaining so everyone saw. When she sat down, she flipped her hair dramatically, smacking my husband in the face. I was focused on the play and didn't realize he had given up, or so I thought. By the time the play ended, I noticed something. My husband had spent the entire show knotting her hair. Not just one knot, a series of thick knots, mini braids twisted into knots, and Boy Scout-style tangles, over a foot of them. She hadn't noticed, but the people behind us had, and they were trying not to laugh. My dad caught on, patted my husband on the back, and said nothing. I'm sure she had a very different version of the story, where she was the innocent victim, but given her attitude, I didn't feel sorry for her. My husband definitely won that round.